If you need to remove an existing account on your Apple device and reinstall a new email account, here's how to do that. First, you need to remove the existing account. So go to Settings on your Apple device and find the Mail icon. Open the Mail icon, click on Accounts. For this example, we're deleting the NNTC account. Click on that. Then click Delete Account at the bottom. Now the account is deleted. This time click Add Account. Now click Add Mail Account. We'll be adding back on the NNTC account in this example, so click Other and then POP in the top right corner. Fill out the information as shown. Your host is mail.nntc.net. Your email username, host name is smtp2.nntc.net. Click Save at the top right corner. It will then say Verifying. Once the account is verified, you should see all the check marks. If you receive an error, just click Continue. Your new account is now set up and you should be able to access it from the Mail icon on your Apple device.